क्या सही है? What is right? What is right? मेरा यकीन करो। Believe me. Believe me. मैं पता लगा लूँगा। I will find it. I will find it. मैंने कब कहा? When did I say? When did I say? हद हो गई। This is too much. This is too much. जाहिर सी बात है। It's obvious. It's obvious. कुछ काम करो। Do some work. Do some work. वो घर पर नहीं है। He is not at home. He is not at home. तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? How dare you? How dare you? तुरंत जाओ। Go immediately. Go immediately. इसका पता लगाओ। Find out it. Find out it. शाबाश। Well done. Well done. यह क्या है? What is this? What is this? मुझे इसे आजमाने दो। Let me try it. Let me try it. हमारे साथ आओ। Come with us. Come with us. इसे जल्दी करो। Make it quickly. Make it quickly. इसे फिर से पढ़ें। Read it again. Read it again. समझ गया। Got it. Got it. कितने घमंडी हो आप। How arrogant you are. How arrogant you are. उसका पीछा करो। Follow him. Follow him. उसे अंदर लाओ। Bring him in. Bring him in. यह बहुत बड़ा है। It's too big. It's too big. मैं बहुत व्यस्त हूँ। I am very busy. I am very busy. यह मुफ्त है। It's free. It's free. मुझे कल फ़ोन करिएगा। Call me tomorrow. Call me tomorrow. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता। I don't think so. I don't think so. क्या तुम्हें याद है? Do you remember? Do you remember? यह काम बहुत मुश्किल से हुआ। This work has done by hardly. This work has done by hardly. बंद करो। Close up. Close up. मैं 2 घंटे तक क्रिकेट खेलता रहूँगा। I shall have been playing cricket for 2 hours. I shall have been playing cricket for 2 hours. क्या तुम एक पुस्तक नहीं पढ़ती हो? Do you not read a book? Do you not read a book? मैं आम खा रहा हूँ। I am eating mangoes. I am eating mangoes. ये लड़कियाँ गीत गा रही हैं। These girls are singing songs. These girls are singing songs. राम का भाई छाता खरीद रहा है। Ram's brother is buying an umbrella. Ram's brother is buying an umbrella. मैं कल कानपुर गया था। I went to Kanpur yesterday. I went to Kanpur yesterday. हम आज आगरा से आए हैं। We came from Agra today. We came from Agra today. पिताजी आज दफ्तर गए थे। Father went to office today. Father went to office today. उन लड़कों ने पुस्तकालय में शोर मचाया था। Those boys made a noise in the library. Those boys made a noise in the library. यह लड़की कल रो रही थी। This girl was weeping yesterday. This girl was weeping yesterday. दरवाज़ा बंद करो। Shut the door. Shut the door. सदा सत्य बोलो। Always speak the truth. Always speak the truth. अब मुझे सोने दो। Let me sleep now. Let me sleep now. वे लड़के अपना समय कभी भी नष्ट नहीं करते हैं। Those boys never waste their time. Those boys never waste their time. मैं अपना पाठ याद कर चुका हूँ। I have learnt my lesson. I have learnt my lesson. मेरे पास एक साइकिल है। I have a cycle. I have a cycle. मीरा के पास एक रेडियो है। मीरा has a radio. मीरा has a radio. मेरे पास बहुत सी पुस्तकें नहीं हैं। I have not many books. I have not many books. राहुल दिन में सोया करता है। राहुल is accustomed to sleep in the day. राहुल is accustomed to sleep in the day. वह प्रतिदिन यहाँ नहीं आया करती थी। She did not used to come here daily. She did not used to come here daily. गरीबों का अपमान मत करो। Do not insult the poor. Do not insult the poor. रेलगाड़ी आने वाली है। The train is about to come. The train is about to come. यह खेलने का समय नहीं है। This is not the time to play. This is not the time to play. तुम्हें वहाँ जाने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। You need not go there. You need not go there. मैंने उसे चिल्लाते हुए सुना था। I heard him cry. I heard him cry. मुझे ये सुनकर दुख हुआ है। I am sorry to hear this. I am sorry to hear this. जब तक मैं ना आऊँ यहीं ठहरो। Wait here until I come. Wait here until I come. यदि तुम पढ़ते तो पास हो जाते। If you had read, you would have passed. If you had read, you would have passed. मेरे आने तक यहीं बैठिए। Please sit here till I come. Please sit here till I come. मैं तुमसे बड़ा हूँ। I am older than you. I am older than you. वह यहाँ आया था और मैं चला गया। He came and I went. He came and I went. यह पुस्तक लो और वह पेन दो। Take this book and give that pen. Take this book and give that pen. क्या तुम्हें घंटी सुनाई पड़ रही है? Do you hear the bell? Do you hear the bell? वह अब पढ़ने लगा है। He began to read. He began to read. रेलगाड़ी जाने वाली है। The train is about to go. The train is about to go. वह आग के पास बैठी हुई थी। She was sitting beside the fire. She was sitting beside the fire. क्या तुमने कभी सफ़ेद हाथी देखा है? Have you ever seen a white elephant? Have you ever seen a white elephant? क्या सुबह से वर्षा हो रही है? Has it been raining since morning? Has it been raining since morning? मैं 2 बजे से नहीं खेल रहा हूँ। I have not been playing since 2 o'clock. I have not been playing since 2 o'clock. क्या तुम इस बात को समझ रहे हो? Do you understand it? Do you understand it? आओ और मेरे पास बैठो। Come and sit beside me. Come and sit beside me. रेलगाड़ी जाने वाली है। The train is about to go. The train is about to go. कल यहाँ कौन आया था? Who came here yesterday? Who came here yesterday? कल तुमसे कौन मिला था? Whom did you meet yesterday? Whom did you meet yesterday? आपकी उम्र कितनी है? How old are you? How old are you? इसकी मरम्मत में कितना समय लगेगा? How much time will it take to repair? How much time will it take to repair? उससे सलाह मत लो. Don't take advice to him. Don't take advice to him.